Did you know that carpets, rugs, and other soft furnishings help filter dirt and allergens from the air inside your home? Studies show that carpet traps up to 8 times its weight in dirt and dust. But just like any air filter, it must be regularly deep cleaned to remain effective. The hot carbonating extraction cleaning process by Chem-Dry is proven to remove an average of 98.1% of non-living allergens, like pet dander and dust mite matter, from carpet and upholstery. And we do it while using about 80% less water than traditional steam cleaning, resulting in faster drying times and less risk of mold or mildew growth due to wet carpets. We want you to breathe easier about the safety of your home and the health of your family. Schedule your fresh and healthy home cleaning today. Chem-Dry, the healthier, deeper carpet cleaner.